is green. Drivers behind the line. Match starts in 3, 2, 1, go!
And we got more robots moving to the field right now. Team 9770 trying to cross into the Red Alliance's barge. They're going to earn a minor penalty for that point. Team 9522 Archimedes slightly moving outside the barge, along with Team 8577, 6887 remaining still. And going to the tally-up portion of the match, the Red Alliance takes that slight lead of 12 points to the Blue Lions of 6 points. Team 95-22 Archimedes, with their googly eyes, almost tips over, but they catch themselves just as quickly, scoring that coral on level 2 for an additional 3 points to their alliance. Team 68-87, the Dalton Catabots, are currently stationary. They're having technical difficulties right now as the FTA makes their way over. Team 69-10, the Steel Talons, is currently right in front of the coral station, trying to decide what they want to do, as Team 95-61 is also having some technical difficulties of their own. Team 8577 is moving back and forth right now and getting a quick love tap from Team 6910, the Steel Talons. They're doing a very little wrestle match as Team 9522 Archimedes line themselves up with the reef, trying to see if they can deposit that coral on level 2 for an additional 3 points for their alliance. Team 6910, the Steel Talons officially crossed over into the Red Alliance's territory underneath over by the reef. Team 68-87 is still remaining stationary at this time. 85-77 is currently trying to see if they can push them underneath the barge. Team 95-22 Archimedes getting another coral from the station as their arm flips over, the googly eyes rolling over. They're adding that coral up onto level 2. Team 69-10 knocking over all 3 pre-placed coral on top of over in front of the driver's station. Checking in the blue lines, we're going to see 97-70, the Robo Knights, trying to see if they can get any coral up on that trough. With under 1 minute left remaining in the match, the Red Alliance is in the lead of 30 points, and the Blue Alliance is 14 points. Team 68-87 and 95-61 still stationary at this time, but Team 95-22 is not stopping anytime soon. Archimedes is getting another coral as we speak, and they're soon to be making their way off into the trough. Team 97-70 attempting to make that coral, not quite enough. It slides off. They have a lot of coral stacking up right now in front of it. They may start having to switch sides in order to make sure that coral can reach the trough for that 2 points. We are in the last 20 seconds of the match as Team 95-22 has the coral in their possession. They're seeing if they can line it up for an additional 3 points before time expires. Team 95-61 is back in the game as they go and park. All 3 Blue Alliance robots are underneath the barge for 6 points total. No Red Alliance. We're not going to see any red robots parked at this time. And that is all the time we have for qualification match number 65. the scores are in for Qualification match number 65. The fish are swimming furiously to show us that it's going to go to the Red Alliance with a final score of 30-20.